wanted to do a quick lesson on using library databases as well as Google Scholar to find information. So this is the new library website. So the discovery search is no longer available, but they have global search now. So easiest way to access that is here at the sidebar. You can type terms. So like in this case, let's type higher education leader, and we'll see what comes up if we do that. All right, so typically what's going to come up first is the library catalog here, but we're going to actually click on global search, and these are some of the articles that come up. A lot of them are international, which is okay, but that's just know that going in that's what you will find a lot in this, at least for right now. I think there's more tutorials to come on how to use this more effectively, but this is one way you can find some articles that you can use in the course. You can search specific topics. All right, and you can also do advanced search if you want to try to hone in on some specific terms. So there's some additional functionality there. And so this is what the advanced search looks like. So you can do all these words, exact phrase. All right. So it is a little different from discovery search. So just want you to be aware of that. All right. So let's go back to the databases. All right. Or to the library website. You can also access articles via library databases. All right, so some databases that are, you can find articles on. Some would be like ProQuest here. You can look at articles, search for articles that way. You can also, under the ease, sometimes you'll find articles using ERIC. So it's an education resource. So sometimes you can find some articles there as well. So some have the PDF, some do not. But that is all right. So here's an example of Eric. Okay, so you can search. All right. All right, so this kind of gives you some examples of some of the types of articles that you might find. So there's some different topics. Obviously, you can get a little more specific with, depending on the turns for the week. All right. So you can also go to ProQuest. Okay. And my internet's kind of slow, so while that's pulling up, I also want to show you Google Scholar. All right, so here I did quotation marks around it just to make sure that you get those terms together. All right, and so you can, let's just say I want to search from 2019 on, get a little more recent articles. Some of these have access to the PDF. You can also see, citations, so you can use this. They're not always 100% correct, so I'll be first one to tell you that, but at least they can kind of get you started. You want to consult APA 7th edition. You can see, if it's been cited by others, you can use that. But just, want to give you a few resources. Let's see, we can do. All right. So again, you got some different resources here with the links. Google Scholar is also accessible on the library website there. You can go to it here, or you can go straight to scholar.google.com. So wanted to at least make you aware of that, so that's some resources you can use to find articles. So more to come on using global search, but that's kind of what we have for you right now. I hope this has been helpful.